bolt was holding me back. Alright, I got the new one right here. Got these from Amazon. I actually got the whole set cheaper than I could buy just the one for. It was $24 for the whole set of 8. I know I'm going to use them for something, and this one here has 7 more to go that I haven't replaced. So anyway, I went ahead and got it. Now I got this little silicone dielectric grease here. I'm going to put a little bit in the plug-in here, put a little bit in the boot, and then slap it back in. Alright, put some there. That'll stop any corrosion, block the moisture away, and just put this sucker right back in. Right, get my little grabber here and bolt lined up. Right, cover back up. Okay, make sure it's hooked on there good. All right, it is. All I have to do is put this little plenum back on, or air tube, vent tube, whatever you want to call it. I gotta put this hose clamp back on there with one hand. Let's see, where is these notches here? Okay, took like 2 seconds. Something I always like to do where I put something like this back together, I get a little bit of WD-40. And I spray this. It helps it go on a little bit better and kind of waterproofs it a little bit. It should slide right back on pretty easy. Look at that. Okay. So that's on there with a little lined up with a little groove. There we go. This one's on. Okay. It's all over but the crying. Yeah, now get the keys and crank her up. Alright, make sure everything's out of the way real quick. Of course, I did not clear the codes, but they should clear on their own anyway, really. After it detects there's no misfire anymore. If that engine light's not off in a couple days, then I'll go ahead and disconnect the battery and leave it off for 15 minutes, hook it back up, and it'll clear it. Oh, smooth, smooth. Yep. Sounds good. Nice and smooth. Okay. Them coil packs are always going to go out. They're always going to go out in these cars, so just have you some on hand. It's a 15-20 minute job. Maybe it was a 20-minute job here because I had to take that piece of the intake off. But the other side, easy access, you get right to them. They're all right there. The back one back there looks like the hardest one to get to. I've already changed it out. It ain't nothing at all. So if you have that happen to your car, I'll be posting the firing order and the trouble code that it gave, and you can change it yourself quick and easy, quick and painless. Save you a bunch of money. And that part was shoot, I don't even know how much it is. What's it? It's under $5. Under probably around $3 if you I don't know. I'm not a math whiz, I don't know. But I paid about $24 for 8, so cheap. Alright, thank you for watching Double Trouble Garage, and I hope this helps somebody out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.